Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Janae. Today's video is going to be another decor haul. Some of these items I've already opened, but some of them I'm actually going to be unboxing with you guys. I have been patiently waiting to open this stuff so I can share it with you guys and we can look at them together. This entire video is dedicated to Magnolia Home. So if you're not familiar with Magnolia Home, it is Joanna Gaines' more designer line. So she has her line at Target, which is Hearth and Hand, and then she has Magnolia Home, which is her more designer end line. And I am a huge fan. I've talked about her stuff on my channel before. I think for the quality and the price, everything is just really well made. It's very unique. I always want to pick up a couple things whenever she comes out with her seasonal stuff. And I did grab some stuff from her recent fall collection, so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. I will also be showing you how I style everything. So I will not only be sharing it and showing you how everything looks, but I will also show you how I plan to style it in my house. So should be a fun video. As always, I will have everything linked down below in the description box, and let's just jump right on into it. The first item is one of my favorites from the whole collection, and it is this beautiful little canvas wall art. I was really drawn to this mainly for the colors. It is called her mixed berry bowl art, and what really drew me to it was the colors of the berries. I like that they come in that darker burgundy color. I just love the tones of the entire print. I like the greens and the grays. It comes in this nice little light wood frame, but it's also a little bit on the smaller side, but I do plan on styling this in my kitchen, so I think it's gonna be perfect. I don't have many pieces of art that are small that will fit on my countertops, so I'm really excited to add this one to my current collection, and I think it's gonna style just really beautiful for fall. I feel like it looks very high-end. The quality feels really nice, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I can't wait to put this one in there. I think it's just gonna kind of set the whole mood for my kitchen as far as decorating for fall. I do have some items sitting in front of me that I have not opened yet, so I'm just gonna grab for certain things and we'll kind of just go through this together. We'll start with this one, and this is the crock, I believe. That's what it looks like to me. I'm really excited for this one. It looks so cute in the picture, so I have high hopes for it. Oh, this is cute. Okay. This is what it looks like. It is this little kitchen utensil crock, and it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but I actually really like the color of this green. So I'll put a picture up of what it looks like on the website, but this is actually a way nicer green than what I thought it was gonna be. I was a little bit nervous. I thought maybe it was gonna be too dark, almost like a forest green, but this is really nice. And it's got a really, really like cute vintage look to it. The neck has that nice cream. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, the only thing I will say though is, like I said, it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but it can definitely hold your utensils in there. And obviously I plan to style this in my kitchen, but I just was really drawn to it for the shape. It's got that like nice little vintage look with the handles. So yeah, this will also look really cute. You don't have to use it as a utensil crock. You can put some stems in here, like some dried florals would look really cute in this. So I'm happy with this guy. All right, moving on to the next item. And I think this is going to be the olive oil dispenser. I'm not sure if that's actually what it's called, but that is what I'm gonna use it for. It is. Okay, this is really cute too. Oh my goodness. So this is her vintage inspired etched glass bottle, and this is in the round shape. And I got this to style in my kitchen as well, and I'm gonna use this to hold my olive oil. I really loved the shape of it. I like that round kind of bubble look. I also love the detailing on it. It's just got a very vintage inspired look to it. The spout is gold and it is starting to patina, which is so pretty. This does come in the round, and then it also comes in the square, so you can pair them together, which I think I will definitely be doing. But it is, it's got, obviously it's glass, but it has a little bit of like a green, very, very light green tint to it, which I really like. So I think this is gonna look really beautiful, styled in my kitchen for fall. I'll actually keep this up all year round. This is really cute. And this one was priced at $30. This next item is not too new. I did not purchase this in her fall collection, but I have not talked about it yet in a video, and I love it so much, and it is from Magnolia, so I want to share it with you guys here today. It is this beautiful candle snuffer, and I love this one so much. Again, it is got that vintage inspired look to it. It's in that beautiful brass color, and it is also starting to patina as well, which I love. The handle has this beautiful twist detail, and then it also has some really pretty detailing on the front. It just, to me, I just love the look of it. I've styled it so many times. I shared it on my Instagram, and I know a lot of you really liked it. So I wanted to talk about it because not only is it so beautiful, but it is at a really good price. So I will definitely have this one linked down below. I also plan, I styled this thing all over my house, but I think I'm gonna just style this in my kitchen to pull in some of that gold. And I just think anytime you style a piece like this, it just kind of ties everything together. And this one I love so much, so it was worth mentioning in this video. The next item that I did pick up are some tapered candles, and this is in the color Chestnut Brown, and you guys already know I love brown for fall. It's just such a beautiful tone. Okay, these are weird. I don't know what I think about these. I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know if they're supposed to look like this. Maybe these melted. I'm not sure, you guys. This is just very strange looking. So they're very crooked, as you can see. The color of them is really pretty. It's in like a nice darker brown color, but it almost looks kind of like a wood grain. I don't know, it's very interesting. I don't know about these ones. These were $8 for a pack of 2. I don't know. I would not recommend these. I don't think that they melted. I think that's the shape it's supposed to be, because they have like these perfect little indents right here. So yeah, no, that's a no for me on these ones. I have one more little box to open, and this is it's called her hand carved marble soap dish. And I got this to style in my kitchen. I really like the detailing of it. I'm really into the scalloped look. I think it's really pretty. It adds just a little bit of something extra. This is definitely more white than I was expecting it to be. The picture makes it look a lot more marbled and a lot more cream, but mine is definitely like a stark white. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. The next item I purchased a couple months ago, but I love them so much that I wanted to share them with you. And I do believe they are currently on sale. And then I think she also came out with a new version for fall. So they are these beautiful eucalyptus stems. And I picked these up, like I said, a couple months ago. And as soon as I unboxed them, I knew these were gonna be so beautiful to style for fall. They come in this really nice toned down orange. Also has some yellows and browns in there. I really like the material of these stems too. It's not plastic, it's not that shiny plastic look. They just look a lot more high end. And I did pick up 5 of them. And I like to incorporate some orange when it comes to the fall season. And this is just like the perfect tone of orange. I'm gonna style these on my entryway table, and I've been waiting to bring these out because these are just such the perfect color for fall to me. I just love them so much. So I hope that they are still available and on sale. I will definitely link them below for you. And like I said, I do think she came out with like a garland version of this. So if I can find that, I will also link that below as well. I do have one more set of stems, and I have not opened them yet. So we will open them up right now. These are her brown berry spray stems. And okay, Okay, these are cute. I do like them. I actually really like the color of them. They're in like a nice, kind of like a burgundy with like a brown. These are really pretty. I got these with the intention to mix with some other stems. I actually think I might mix them with the last ones that I just showed you, just to incorporate, you know, a little bit of something extra when it comes to arrangements. I'm really into the berry stems. I think they add just a little bit of visual interest and kind of that texture that you're looking for to break up just your everyday stems. So these are really cute. These are really nice. I bought 2 of them. I figured that would be enough once I spread them out and make them look a little more sparse. That would be perfect. Okay, so that is a wrap on today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I had so much fun making it for you guys and filming and styling everything. So I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration to decorate your house for fall. And if you guys did like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I always appreciate any support that you can send my way, and I will see you guys in my next video.